Hey guys, welcome back with another brand new and exciting strategy that how to promote CPA offers and affiliate marketing actually. So stay tuned to the very end of this video. I'm going to share with you step by step that how you can make money with this specific strategy right here step by step. So what I want from you to watch the video to the very end, and as well as that just hit the like button as an appreciation for this video, because I'm going to share with you each and everything step by step for absolutely free with free traffic source right here. So let's not further waste the time and straight jump into the strategy that how it is working. So the first and important thing is that you need to sign up with ClickBank right here by just clicking the sign up button. Once you sign up, then you can simply log into your account and you can go to the marketplace right away here. So I can simply show you the best and specific product that work all the best with this topic source right here. You can simply just go to the main categories right here like e-business and e-marketing, and then you can simply click on that. Once you click on that, then you will be redirected to this page right here, and then you can simply scroll down almost to the bottom right here, and you can see here a product right here, the live chart jobs. You can simply just click on the sales page and also affiliate tools area right here, because this is the best offer which pays $78 per sale, and also they have recurring commission like $45 something like that, and the gravity is 57, which is almost a great gravity for people. So the beauty of this product is right here that we can promote with a specific traffic source that really need these types of contents right here. So we can go to the sales page, which will be this one, which will be the first video that people can simply watch the video, and they can see three different questions right here. They need to answer them. Once they answer them, they will be redirected to this page right here, and then they will tell you that you are suitable for these types of jobs right here, and then you can simply apply. Whenever people just apply for that, so we get the commissions from that. So that is as simple as this. The next step is that you can simply go to the affiliate tools area, and you can simply see here that they have provided a lot of things like email swipe, banners, product images, for example demographics, PPC ads, so each and everything. But we can only require the email swipe and banners and product image in this tutorial. So once you are set up with this, you have the affiliate tools area, you have affiliate tools, you have the emails. For example, you have, for example, the affiliate link that you can simply just copy from here, okay, by just clicking the promote button, and you can simply shorten with bit.ly or TinyURL. Once you shorten this link, the next step would be that you can simply just go to Google and just type, for example, dubai.dubiz dubizzle.com. Okay, this is the main website and this is the link. You just need to click on that. Once you click on that, you will be redirected to this page right here that it is all about the way post, and many people are just posting different contents on this website right here. As you can see here, there are a lot of categories like motors and subcategories. Property for rent, for example, these are the subcategories. Property for sale, these are the subcategories. Classifieds, and there are the subcategories right here, main categories. Whenever whatever category you need, you can simply just click. For nature and garden, mobile and tablet, jobs and community. So we will definitely need the job category, and we can simply choose any category right here. But the first thing is that you need to sign up with this by just clicking the sign up button right here. But I can simply show you that how many traffic is coming to this website right here. Almost 3.47 million people are coming to this website, which is coming almost 4 million people for this website for absolutely free. Once you just sign up for that, clicking the sign up button right here, then you can simply just move to this page that you can simply add your first name, email address and password, and then you can visit to this page that we have sent you a confirmation email right here. You can simply just go back right here, and then you can simply just see here this page right here in your inbox. You can simply just click on you activate your account. Once you click on that, then you will be visited to this page right here that you can simply complete your profile, and just by copy and pasting you can simply add a random uh, questions and answers right here, and then you can simply click on update. Once you click on the update, it will be updated your profile and you are good to go with that, and you can simply post ads right here. So the next step will be that you can simply click on the place your ad. Once you click on that, then you will be with us to this page that you can simply choose your main category. So of course, we can simply choose the jobs category because we are promoting the jobs offer right here. Once we click on that, we'll be redirected to this page right here that we can simply add our company profile right here or company information. You can add any name for your company right here. As I added, you can choose industry, that depends on you. Anyone you can simply choose right here, and you can simply choose the company size right here, and then you can simply use the description. The description I have just taken from the main sales page of the product and I just pasted. And this is the contact name Iris James, and this is the phone number and the address from Dubai. So how I found it right here, I simply just go to Google and just type, for example, Dubai phone number, and here is a random numbers that I simply copy and paste it there. And for the purposes of address, I simply tap into Google, for example, Dubai address, and then I move to the Google map right here, and I simply just click on this. For example, you can click on anyone right here. I simply click on that, then we will simply have the address right here. I simply copy this address and just paste it right here. Okay, so once you are finished with that, then you can simply just click on the save. Once you click on the save right here, then you will be visited to this page right here that you can simply choose the subcategory right here. So I just simply choose the subcategory like media. Then I move to this part right here that I can simply add the job title, description, and other things right here. So I can simply fill up quickly for you right here. As you can see here, I just simply add the title, description, including my affiliate links right here at the bottom right here. I simply add it right here. And then I add, for example, the gender to anyone right here. And then I simply choose the language. I choose all the languages. For example, anyone can apply. Career level is middle level, and full time is that, for example, the job, it's a remote job. I simply edit this one by one. So you can also use this and you can simply add one by one right here. Simply copy and paste method is that nothing is required from here, and monthly salary is there. You can simply choose from this right here, anyone you want. For example, benefit is optional. We don't need to just select that, so we can simply leave. Company name is already just selected right here. You can simply scroll down and just click on the employer right here, but that I'm hiring, for example, and then you will have the question. For example, you need to write something like, for example, do you have a laptop or smartphone? The correct answer will be yes. You can simply just type it right here, and then you can simply add, for example, list or wrong answer. So of course we can simply write no. People who said no, so they cannot apply for the job right here. Everybody is having internet connection, smartphone or something like that, so of course they can simply say yes. And that will be the correct answer right here. And then you can simply scroll down and nothing is needed next, so you can simply click on the next button. Once you click on the next button, you will be visited to this page right here that they will tell you that we can just activate your so we can just review your post and then we can release. So that will take a couple of seconds right here, and then you can simply just click yes, I'm agree, and that will move to the review. Whenever they review, so we are getting paid for that. So this is the easiest method that you can make money online with this specific strategy. Once they release your post, so that will definitely just come to the main website right here, and everybody can watch right here under the job category right here. As you can see here, many people post, and you can also post something like 14,000 people are posting in job category. So you will be the next one. If you just consistently posting on this website, you can make a lot of money. So hope you like the method and you are interested. If you like it, please don't forget to hit the like button as an appreciation. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that. If you want to make more money online, then check out the first link in the description of this video, and you will be redirected to a page that you can simply read each and everything and watch a free video. Whenever you are interested with that, you can start making money with that 𝐴𝐴 system right away there. So just check out the first link in the description and you will be redirected to that page right there. So till next brain video, see you awesome with enjoyable moments.